I was told, just work harder. Here's what I did instead. They told me I just needed to work harder. But harder work wasn't the answer. It was a trap. For years, I wore burnout like a badge of honor. Long hours, late nights, always chasing the next thing. Because I thought that's what success demanded. But success without peace, without freedom, that's not success at all. I hit a wall. I mean, literally, I couldn't push anymore. And that's when I finally stopped and asked, what if I didn't have to hustle this hard? That's when I found a digital system with automation, support, and step-by-step tools. I rebuilt my life in only 2 hours at a time. And I realized I wasn't lazy. I was living in survival mode. There's a smarter way out there, one that honors your health, your heart, and your goals. Check it out. My full blueprint for daily income. AI, artificial intelligent content tools to automate your work. Tools that repurpose one video into 10 or 20 clips. Plus, a way to earn monthly from sharing these tools. Check it out. Build multiple income streams from home or anywhere at your pace. Want to know how I escaped the hustle hamster wheel? Go to Holly Pring Daily Pay and check for yourself. It's free to explore. Shoot me an email if you have any questions.